Hey guys, what is up? It is your boy Notchmods. It has been a month since the last devlog and I am overdue for one. But today I am going to introduce some features that I have implemented to Wastelanders 2 this month. First of all, I have changed the enemy projectile. Instead of shooting balls, the enemy will shoot laser and it would make the game have an aesthetic feel. Second feature is the inventory system. You can only equip weapon and there are going to be more than 3 weapons in Wastelanders 2 and there are a total of 9 slots in the inventory system. Another feature that is tiny is the gun collection system. When you want to collect a gun, instead of colliding with the gun, you have to point your crosshair on the weapon that you want to collect and press Q. I added that because there are going to be more weapon and only 9 slots in the game. I have also implemented the armor mechanics. Basically, if you got an armor, health will be added to the player and the armor itself is also an extra health, and also the armor reduces enemy damage. If the armor health is depleted, then the armor will be gone and the enemy damage will be back to normal. Another aspects of game mechanics that is overlooked is crouching. In the future I will add function to the crouching features and Wastelander can be a stealth game. Also, I forgot to mention, I have added the health bar. When you shoot the enemy health will be displayed next to the player health bar. When you enter through the building on the first scene, you will be transported to the underground building. And yes, the balls from Wastelanders Remastered will still be in this game and you can one-shot kill it or it can one-shot kill you. And I have added another enemy. I will have to keep it a secret until I release the beta, which is in soon. When you sprint, the guns will play an animation and I am trying to make the movement as unique as possible, but here is the animation. Another thing that I have been dying to show you guys, it has been a month since I created the scene. It is the Wastelanders menu. Dig the Pig designed this menu, so credit goes to him. Also on Dig the Pig side, he has composed a few tracks for Wastelanders. And he made the underground scene and also he has done some level designing. That is all for this month. Hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, like, share, and hopefully I will add more features next month, and bye.